Assyrians are one of the few cultures in the world that has been able to survive without a true land to call our own for much of our recent history. We are an innocent people whose eyes have seen nothing but bloodshed in a land that's been ravaged by war. We did still, however, populate much of Mosul and the Nineveh Plains. It was our original home. On June 6, 2014, a terrorist group referring to themselves as the Islamic State, or ISIS, rushed towards Mosul to invade part of what was left of the land we call home. The Assyrians living in Mosul believed it was now a place of peace in an area that had recently been tarnished by wars, a place where they could finally let their guard down and attempt to self-govern their own people. Much of the Iraqi security forces who were supposed to protect us fled upon hearing that ISIS was coming, giving ISIS access to additional weapons and supplies. They stripped us of our land, slaughtered our people, and destroyed part of our museums with bulldozers and hammers. They did something the world has seen and ignored again and again in history. They placed an N on the homes of Assyrian Christians, meaning Nazarene or Christian, the way that the Nazi regime branded the Jews in 1930s Germany. The way in only 4 days the Iraqi security forces had collapsed, ISIS put Sharia law in place, and Mosul was in the hands of the Islamic State by June 10th. Once again, the rest of the world had chosen to be ignorant to the oppression and genocide of a minority group, this time the Assyrians, an innocent group of people who now were in the hands of a horrible terrorist group. People who have fought for their culture their entire lives would have to fight again. I did not know many of the Syrians personally, but I know that no one deserves to go through what those people have continue to live every day. This is just one of the many cases of Christian minorities, specifically Assyrians, that have faced persecution in the Middle East. These terrorists have also taken our land in Syria. We have become a homeless nation. Much too often in history, people choose to be ignorant to horrible genocides that take place. Germany, Armenia, Rwanda, and now the Assyrians. Not long ago, someone asked me what it meant to be free, and after a lot of thinking, I said that freedom was the ability to make your own decisions. And my people in Iraq, Syria, and across the Middle East have lost that freedom. It's at times like this, when our land, people, and history are being taken away and destroyed, that we need to come together as one and fight for a change. Thank you.